In the days leading up to the Dyatlov Pass tragedy in 1959, local hikers and researchers reported hearing bizarre audio phenomena near the remote Ural Mountains. Witnesses described low-frequency hums, metallic screeches, and an odd rhythmic pulsing echoing through the valley. Some Soviet investigators later uncovered makeshift recordings of these eerie sounds, unexplained by wind, wildlife, or known technology of the era. Theories ranged from secret military tests to natural atmospheric anomalies, but no definitive source was found. These chilling sounds remain an unsolved element in the Dyatlov Pass mystery.